buna enchire ya moyo gusegeta mulembe gwetera stigosori lishirika lya NCIC inse mo commissioner bwe kiombekio Dr. Danvas Makori na babwatani bande buna ngaf amona NGIC ni goli atwalire weekend yechigosori asegeti kiegosori ya golf ime yomo kahawa o Kisii Sports Club eyigane enchire ya moyo gochengera ali tukoliria ensengima egochengera mulembe.
Na tuko hapa Kisii Sports Club as part of the International Day of Peace that was started in 1981 by the UN. Peace is very elusive, so they wanted to remind the whole world that we need to have one day that we focus on building peace. And as a commission that starts to promote peace and cohesion in this country as our core mandate, we want to do this weekend. And we are here as part of the Sports for Peace.
Gukwana Nensoko TV magoroba ya lero nigo Dr. Danvas Makori akwaneire ekirenge kenene kiokorete gosori yu ime county ya Kisii abwasate birubuna gusina se agiya asekero yo mamenyete.
Tournament. We have football, other sports in Kisumu, but we wanted to do today. We are doing golf here in Kisii. The beauty about this county is that, we chose it. One of the reasons is that here in this county, you come as anybody from Kenya. You're welcomed here. You do your hustle. There's no outsider, or there's no local. There's no non-local. You're Kenyan here, and we want to promote that this is what Kenya should be. You can be from whatever ethnic group you are in, and you are a Kenyan, and we are one people, and they have done so well in this county to promote that.
Era mo bisoma nene bwo bakoleri we kiombekio ngaf nigo asengerere buna nigo baligeririe chigosori buna enchira yemo yogosegeta mulembe.
Here to partner with the NCIC Commission and GEC to ensure that our young people and the entire population, citizens of Kenya, are actually champions of peace. And we are doing it in a very innovative way. We are doing it through sports. We are doing it through intergenerational discussions and conversations. And this is the best way to commemorate the International Day of Peace, which we are commemorating tomorrow.
Dr. Pure Digeno nero romo bisoma nene bwo bokareri ase kiombegia NGIC otogirie ogocha moko ekiagera nigo gokoreta bantamo abo ase abasababa Kenya bonsi gochichamo na gosegeta mulembe.
For me, it's an honor to be here to just see the unity that tournaments and sports can bring. Because when we were in the field, I didn't even care whom I was playing with. It was just me and the ball and my team. So it is a very good way, and that we have seen of late that Kenyans really, there's something that holds us together.
Na bana siasa na baraboni go basabirwe koba abatoereru na gwaka siasa chitabwati okora manane chisegi.
Si lazima kwamba tusikize pia viongozi wakileta furugu, wakileta mchafuko, lazima pia tuseme hapana.
Bono ekere nsengima egocha gochengera litukolio mulembe nigo erababuya ekero kiroyomo araralio bomo obwanchani no mulembe inkulipoteria Nsoko TV koroke gasobo gatakati pumo chobosongo county ya Kisii iretariane Wycliffe Orenge.